Hello friends, this is Sakina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am going to talk about mini portable washing machine. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new and please follow me on social media profile guys. Without further ado, let's get started. This portable mini washing machine have recently hit in the market and have been super popular. So guys, I thought to make video on them so that you can decide before buying the portable washing machine. This mini machine has a transparent lid. It is also lightweighted and easy to carry it one place to another. You can wash all kind of clothes such as bed sheet. You can wash towel, curtain, and your denim and tops, guys. Brand name is DMR, and DMR is one of the trusted brand, guys. Capacity of the washing machine is 3 kg and take a 50-minute time to wash the clothes. And one of the main feature is auto power off, guys. These machines are compact and lightweight, thus you can carry it wherever you go, guys. It does not require any fixed location. For large appliances, you have to fix the location and you cannot move or you cannot carry from one place to another. It is for a small family and a bachelor. High quality plastic has been used for a mini washing machine and it comes with a warranty of 1 year. So this is the best thing, because when you buy anything, guys, you have to careful about warranty. So it is the most important thing. One more thing, guys, there is no need to call a professional for installation as it is ready to use, guys. There are many colors as you can see in the picture. All colors are in light shade and here is a dimension also. Same thing you can get in a small size. You have to set the timer and it shut off automatically, and it saves, guys, power and water also. And the duration of the wash cycle depends on the cloth you have put on the machine. And it is completely shock proof, so guys, there is no need for worry about your safety also. There are many trusted brands such as Onida and DMR and Hilton. So guys, you can trust them. This is the best option for those who living in hostel and bachelor life, guys. When you compare the large washing machine, it is quite low because the motor is not as powerful, guys. And second thing, this is not suitable for large family. And some model of this type do not come with a dryer because most of them have a single tub. So you have to careful when you buy anything, guys. Please read full description carefully. Price is suitable for a student and small family, so you can afford. This mini washing machine come with different design and different color. The product comes with 100% copper coated motor, guys. It is lightweighted and small in size. Brand name is Hilton, and this machine comes ready to use and does not require, guys, any installation kind of thing, and it is semi-automatic and top loading washing machine with 3 kg capacity. It has a spin time of 5 minutes with clockwise and anti-clockwise, which is suitable for washing 5 to 6 adult clothing and 8 to 10 kids clothing. And the machine is made of polycarbonate plastic, guys, which is very stable. And it comes with features such as spin basket, plate for a spin basket, and inlet pipe, guys. It is the dimension 13 centimeter by 5 inch. It is compact and occupy less space, and it consumes very little electricity, guys, and can run on the inverter. This is the best part of the mini washing machine. While purchasing a portable washing machine, it is essential to know all the things, guys. Also make sure you have to detail knowledge about the size, weight, and body material, and the main best part is you have to know about brand also, guys. For more details, guys, please visit my blog www.designerplanet.blogspot.com. If you have any queries, guys, please mail me, and you can DM me on Instagram also, guys, and you can comment me. So guys, this was today's video. Link has been given in the description box, guys. Please check it. I share all the basic things like brand, size, and capacity. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a lot, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.